And the phase plane is a two-dimensional coordinate system where the axis represent the x and y axis plane represented ልናደርገው እንችላለን. So from this phase portrait, what we have obtained is equilibrium points are there, trajectories are there, and direction fields where the electric field or direction field is moving. Is that it's always, we know that it moves to the equilibrium points where they need the stability points to stay steady in a steady state. They move to the direction of the field is in the phase portrait line. For instance, you can see this one. The you can see the equation. We can say the equation x star, which is equal to minus 2x. I think you can see that. Y star, y prime, which is equal to minus y. And clearly, what are the equilibrium point for this one? Which is 0, 0 is the equilibrium point, which is a trivial equilibrium point. And you can see in terms of matrix, you can represent this one as minus 2, 0, 0, and minus 1. Is that not? Minus 2 zeros and 0 minus 1, which is the coefficient matrix. And directly from this one, what are the eigenvalues? The eigenvalues are lambda 1, which is equal to minus 2, and lambda 2, which is equal to minus 1. Is that not? These are the eigenvalues. Clearly, the diagonal elements of the coefficient matrix are the eigenvalues. So clearly, both the eigenvalues are negative. Both the eigenvalues are negative, mean that the equilibrium point 0, 0 attracts every element to itself. Have you seen? The electric field is flowing to the equilibrium point. It's flowing to the equilibrium point. You can see from the diagram. So this diagrammatic representation of the solution of the given dynamical system or nonlinear system of differential equation, linear system of differential equation, is said to be phase portrait representation. Phase portrait. So, which is one way of showing the phase portrait. The other one, you can consider this one x dot, which is equal to x, and y dot, which is equal to minus y, and you can represent the coefficient matrix for this one in terms of matrix form, which is 1, 0, and 0 minus 1, and clearly, which is a diagonal matrix having two eigenvalues, lambda 1, which is 1, and lambda 2, which is minus 1. And clearly, you can see the eigenvalues are opposite, not opposite. One is the sign of the eigenvalues are opposite. One eigenvalue is negative and the other eigenvalue is positive, which means that the equilibrium point is a saddle point. And we know that the saddle point does not attract, instead it repulse every initial conditions that comes from any point to the equilibrium point. So equilibrium point allows the center organo. Then if we take any point around, it comes, but it goes to. It comes and it goes to the equilibrium, the other equilibrium point. So it moves. It's not a stable or a steady state equilibrium point that makes the things to stay stable. So this is the phase portrait for the equilibrium point. The phase portrait for the equilibrium. The other one is this one. So which is x dot, which is equal to x minus y, and y dot, which is equal to x minus y is also x plus x minus y. Okay, and on the I think we can find the coefficient matrix -1, -1, and 1. -1, and we can find the eigenvalues for the this equilibrium point. We can find the eigenvalues, and the eigenvalues are, I think, complex numbers. The eigenvalues are complex numbers. I think we can find the eigenvalues, but if I'm not taking time. What I want to mention is that I think eigenvaluation ካወቅናቸው we can find the general solution for the given differential equation. Is that not? Which is C1 times E in e the power of minus 2t v1 plus c2 times e the power of minus 1t minus t, you can say minus t times v1, which is the general solution. Is that not v2 and v1 are the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues lambda 1 and lambda 2. So this is the general solution, is that not? So depending on this general solution, we can say we can find the phase portrait of the equilibrium points. The equilibrium points phase portrait ምን ይመስላል የሚለውን በጀነራል ሶሉሽኑ ዲተርማይን ማድረግ እንችላለን by taking c1 0 and c2 0 and by taking different values of time t, we can determine the phase portrait. So from this one, saddle point, the spiral point, you can see it's a spiral. It's like a spiral. It's like a spiral. You can see it's like a spiral. But it attracts the equilibrium point. It means that the eigenvalue, which is alpha plus I times beta, which is the eigenvalue, which is plus or minus, where it attracts means that the real part is negative. It attracts means that the real part is negative. So alpha, when alpha is less than 0, is like this one. If not, if alpha is greater than 0, the direction of the electric field should be changed from the inside to outside, which is unstable equilibrium point. So spiral ሲሆን የዛ አይነት እንትን ያለው ማለት ነው phase portrait ያለው ማለት ነው. Similarly, if the real part of the complex eigenvalue is 0, then we obtain only the imaginary parts, and the imaginary part ብቻ ከሆነ ደግሞ we can say that the equilibrium point 0 0, the equilibrium point 0 0 is a center, and if you take any point, initial point, you may round up, maybe exactly center, circle ላይሆን ይችላል, maybe oval ሊሆን ይችላል, you may round up to that equilibrium point. You oscillate on that equilibrium point around. You do not go further. So because the point that is taken as an equilibrium point is a steady state equilibrium point. So this is how to see. The other one is using the characteristic equation. We can take trace and determine to say stable or unstable equilibrium point. And the equilibrium point is stable no unstable no ማለት we can take trace and determinant concept. So ቅድም የሆነ calculate አድርገናል determinant by from this one, det of a minus lambda I, which is equal to 0, lambda square minus trace of a lambda plus determinant of a, which is equal to 0. Trace, we know that, and determinant, I think you are familiar with trace and determinant. So the trace is the sum of the diagonal elements. The trace is the sum of the diagonal elements, and the determinant is this one. Considering that the coefficient matrix A is A, D, here we have, and I think here B, and like this one. If we consider this one as a coefficient matrix, to make it more simple, so we have this coefficient matrix, and the determinant of this coefficient matrix is AD minus BC, which is lambda 1 minus lambda 2, and which is lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So if we are considering that the lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the eigenvalues for this characteristic equation. So if lambda 1 and lambda 2 are different, general solution ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ የዛ አይነት ፎርም ነው ያለው, just of this form. That's of this form. Now, depending on the sign of the eigenvalues, stable and unstable ብለን ቅድም define አድርገናል. So for instance, stable node is lambda 1 and lambda 2 are less than 0, which means lambda 1 and lambda 2 is less than 0 means the trace is less than 0 and the determinant is greater than 0. And this one is a discriminant, which is obtained from the quadratic equation, the solution of the quadratic equation. So when we are finding the roots of this equation, so which is lambda 1, lambda 2, which is equal to trace of A plus or minus the square root of what? Trace A square minus, which is 4 times determinant, is that not? Det of A, determinant of A. So over 2 times A is 1 over 2. So the value inside the square root, is discriminant each sign. Therefore, if the two eigenvalues are less than 0, which means that trace is less than 0 and the determinant is greater than 0. So, and also the discriminant is greater than 0, which is asymptotically stable equilibrium point, which is a stable equilibrium point, and it's asymptotically stable. And if the values to lambda 1 and lambda 2 are greater than, we can, the sum of these eigenvalues, which is a trace, is greater than 0, and the determinant is also greater than 0. Similarly, the discriminant is greater than 0. So which is unstable equilibrium point, unstable node one. And if the one eigenvalue is negative and the other eigenvalue is positive, and we cannot decide the trace, it depends on the larger in magnitude, the larger eigenvalue. Lambda 1 larger corner negative, which will be negative, trace negative. If lambda 2 is greater than 0, then it will be positive. But the determinant is, if lambda 1 is less than 0 and lambda 2 is greater than 0, the determinant is less than 0. So which is unstable, which is the property of saddle, the saddle point, equilibrium point, and the saddle equilibrium point is always unstable. The other one is the spiral equilibrium points or focus. When the A value, the alpha value is less than 0, we can say the trace is less than 0. The trace will be less than 0 when we are adding them, and the determinant is greater than 0. And you can find, if it's a complex number, we can say the discriminant is less than 0, is that not? The discriminant is less than 0 because complexity comes from that. And it's said to be asymptotically stable. If alpha value is less than 0, it's asymptotically stable. If alpha value is greater than, it's unstable equilibrium point. And the others, I think, similarly, you can see this one, just trace and determinant in terms of xy plane line. You can draw the equation tau square minus 4 times the discriminant, which is square root ውስጥ ያለችውን ብቻ drop ማድረግ እንችላለን, which is a quadratic equation, and every point is indicated here. Stable spiral on this side የሚሆን ከሆነ it's said to be stable spiral. On the other side የሚሆን ከሆነ it's unstable spiral. Or if it is found on the axis, on this axis, it's said to be the stable center እንለዋለን, which is if it is the other side, በዚህኛው ሳይድ የሚሆን ከሆነ unstable node እንለዋለን. On the other side, በዚህኛው ሳይድ የሚሆን ከሆነ it's said to be stable node. So it depends on, I think it comes from this እዚህ ጋር ካወራነው ጋር ቴብሉ ጋር ካወራነው ጋር ተመሳሳይ አይነት ኮንሰፕት ነው። አይ ቲንክ በምታነቡበት ሰዓት በደንብ ታዩታላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። So diagrammatically we can represent like this one. We can represent just like this. I think about trajectories, nucleons and trajectories የሚለውን I think እናንተ ብታነቡት I think የሚገባችሁ ይመስለኛል። እዚህ ጋር ብዙ ጊዜ ባላጠፋ መልካም ይመስለኛል። More nucleons are related to the, we have two nucleons, x nucleon, by making dx by dt 0 ነው, እና y nucleon ደግሞ by making dy by dt which is equal to 0 አድርገን የምናገኘው diagram ነው normal. It's just a diagram. So a trajectory is a solution curve to the given system of differential equation. Solution curve ነው trajectory የምንለው. So I think you እንትኑን ሃይላይቱን የተወሰነ አስቀምጬላችኋለሁ, እዛ ማየት ትችላላችሁ እናንተ። ሞር ግን ወደ ኒውክላይን ኮንሰፕት የምናየው እንትን ላይ ነው። አይ ቲንክ አይታችሁት ከሆነ አይደለም ኒውክላይን ኮንሰፕት የሚመጣው ፕሪዴተር ፕሬ ሞዴል አካባቢ ኮንሲደር ስናደርግ ነው ኒውክላይን ኮንሰፕቶች የሚመጡት ማለት ነው። So you can see that one. Okay. We have this system of differential equation, which is 2x plus 12y, 2x plus 12y, and x plus y አለን። So clearly 0, 0 is the equilibrium point for this system of differential equation. Now how it's stable or unstable የሚለውን identify ለማድረግ I think we can find the eigenvalues of the system. We can find the eigenvalues of the system. For instance, we can find the eigenvalues of the system. So we have 2, we have 12, we have 1, 1. Is that? Yeah. So we can take this one as a coefficient matrix. And what are the eigenvalues? I think almost ጊዜ ባናጠፋ ደስ ይለኛል ግን which is 12, 1, 1 minus lambda, which is equal to 0. And from this determinant, we can obtain 2 minus lambda times 1 minus lambda minus 12, which is equal to 0. So it becomes 2 minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus lambda square minus 12, which is equal to 0. So which is lambda square collecting the terms minus 3 lambda and what? Minus 10, which is equal to 0. If I take a mistake, if I made a mistake, you can correct me. Okay. Then what will be the I think it's we can find using complete have seen Aharachi. Okay. So I think we can find complete. So what 1 times minus 10 minus 10 and who the sum is minus 3 የሚሰጡን ሁለት ነምበሮችን እንፈልጋለን። So what are these numbers? I think lambda minus 5 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 10, which is equal to 0. So lambda into sorry, which is lambda minus 5 lambda. Sorry, lambda square is okay. Sorry, we can take now lambda into lambda minus 5 here plus 2 into lambda minus 5 here, which is equal to 0. So we have lambda minus 5, lambda minus 5. So what? Lambda plus 2 into lambda minus 5, which is equal to 0. So lambda, which is equal to minus 2, and lambda, which is equal to 5 are what? The two eigenvalues. The two eigenvalues. So the equilibrium point is 0, 0. The equilibrium point is 0, 0. The two eigenvalues are what? Opposite in sign, is that not? So what can you say about the equilibrium point, this one? It's what? It's a saddle point. A saddle equilibrium point. It's a saddle equilibrium point. And this saddle equilibrium point is what? Unstable. It's unstable equilibrium point. So face portrait ማየት እንችላለን። face portrait ማየት እንችላለን። it in ያደርጋል then out ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። face portraitን ስንስለው in ያደርጋል out ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። I think face portrait ፕሮቴሉስ አሉን ኦንላይን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። ፎር ኢንስታንስ የዚህን ያሁኑን እንደዚህ መሳል እንችላለን። እኔ የሚሰርኩ ከዚህ ጋር ነው። So which is 2x. I think it needs to start 2x plus 12y and here x plus y, is that? Yeah. X plus y. X plus y, you can maximum and minimum boundary ማስቀመጥ ትችላላችሁ። ነምበር ኦፍ ግሪዱን ምን ያህል ግሪድ ይሁን ማለት ትችላላችሁ። ግሪዱን ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር 20 ነው የሚለው ወደ 10 ቀየርኩት። ዘን ፕሎት እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። ፕሎት እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። ያው እንደምታዩት ነው። አይ ቲንክ ግሪዱን ቢጨምረው እንደዚህ ግሪዱን ቢጨምረው ሞር ሊያሳየን ይችላል፣ ግን በጣም እንትን ይላል፣ ስኩዊዝድ ይሆናል። and you can see 0 0 is the equivalent point. You can see 0 0 is the equivalent point. Have you seen? Every point coming from infinity, and it does not stay at 0. It moves the 0 equivalent point. It comes, but it doesn't stay to this equivalent point. It doesn't say this equivalent point. So it's not a stable equivalent point. Instead, it's an unstable equivalent point. So phase portrait በዚህ ደረጃ ያሳየናል ማለት ነው። የኤሌክትሪክ ፊልዱ ምን ያህል ሙቭ አድርጎ ተመልሶ ግን ስቴብል ኢኩሊብሪየም ፖይንት ስላልሆነ ተመልሶ ይወጣል ማለት ነው። ተመልሶ ይወጣል ማለት ነው። So this is how to draw the phase portrait using the phase portrait plotters. So እዚህ ጋር ያለው እሱ ራሱ ነው ማለት ነው when we are drawing. So 0 0 is an unstable equivalent point, and it's drawn. The other one is when the system of differential equation is non-homogeneous, which means that if it has this one, the system has an explicit solution and you can solve the result. But we can see this system. We can take this system. So x minus 2y minus 1 and y which is equal to x minus 2y minus 3. And you can find the equilibrium point. The equilibrium point is not 0 0 in this case. The equilibrium point is not 0 0. Instead, we should find the equilibrium point by making x minus 2y which is equal to 1 and 2x minus 3y which is equal to 3. By making both of them are 0 and then equating that, you will get that. So when we multiply this one by 2, you will get 2x minus 4y is equal to 2, I think. And then subtracting, you will get what? Which is y, which is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 and substituting 1 on the first equation, y1 and substituting x minus 2, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 3. So 3, 1 is the equivalent point for this system, this nonlinear system. Therefore, 3 እዚህ አካባቢ ነው ያለችው ማለት ነው። Have you seen? It's not 0 0. It's around 3 1 ላይ እናገኛታለን ማለት ነው, which is 1 value. የy value እዚህ ጋር ያሳየናል. You can see this one, and 3 is also here. You can see this one. The equivalent point is this one. And to see the eigenvalues, you can determine the characteristic equation and then find the eigenvalues. So I think the same sheet እዚህ እንትኑ ላይ ፕሎት ማድረግ እንችላለን፣ ግን I think it shows ያሳያቸዋል አይደለ? You can see from the phase diagram, phase portrait diagram እንደምታዩት ነው። You can see which is spiral, stable spiral የሆነ ኢኩሊብሪየም ፖይንት ነው የሚያሳይ። ኤገን ቫልዩዎቹ ኮምፕሌክስ ነምበር ነው። ኤገን ቫልዩዎቹ የመጡት ኮምፕሌክስ ነምበር ነው, and the real part of the complex number is negative now, which is stable spiral መሆኑን ያሳየናል። So using the phase portrait, we can identify that one. If we have, if we get the chance to see nonlinear system, if someone has given us to analyze a nonlinear system of differential equation, how do you obtain the stability of the equivalent points? How to get the equivalent points? We can get the equivalent point easily, but how to find the stability? So it's not linear. So we should linearize the system so that we can study easily the stability of the equivalent points around the equivalent point. So the linearized system and the nonlinear system at the equilibrium point will have similar behavior. Similar behavior. That's why we are linearizing the system. That's why we are linearizing the system. If we are not linearizing, we cannot study about the property of the equilibrium points, because it's difficult to analyze analytically the nonlinear system. So assume that we have given we have this one, and let's assume that x star y star be the equilibrium point, the equilibrium point to this system. Let's assume that. And let's take that u is x minus x star, and v is y minus y star, where u and v are variables. So which means that x is equal to u plus x star, and y is the same as v plus y star. Is that not? So we can write dx by dt, which is equal to f of x, or we can say like this one. We can apply. We can say f of xy is the same as f of x u plus x star and v plus y star, and g of xy, which is equal to f of u plus x star v plus y star, which is equal to 0, to find the equilibrium points and then to linearize the system. So what we have done in the single variable 1D ላይ እንደሰራ ነው, we can apply Taylor series expansion for the system. ለሲስተሙ ታይለር ሲሪስ ኤክስፓንሽን መጠቀም እንችላለን። So which is 0, which is equal to, for instance, የመጀመሪያው ላይ apply ስናደርግ 0, which is equal to f of x star y star plus x minus x star f of, which is df by the partial derivative f with respect to x evaluated at x star y star plus y minus y star, the partial derivative f with respect to y, x minus, evaluated at x star y star plus 1/2 times x minus x star, the second partial derivative with respect to x plus, which is 1/2 is common, plus x y minus y star, we can say y minus y star the whole square times the second partial derivative with respect to y, plus the mixed partial derivative x minus x star times y minus y star times the second partial derivative with respect to x with respect to y, which is plus. But we ignore these values because x minus x star is very small number, significantly very small number. So the same shit for the g functions, g x star y star plus x minus x star the partial derivative of g with respect to x evaluated at x star y star plus y minus y star, the partial derivative f with respect to y, sorry, g with respect to y evaluated at x star y plus 1 over 2 times x minus x star, the whole square, the partial derivative of the second partial derivative of g, the second partial derivative of g with respect to x plus y minus y star, the whole square, the second partial derivative of g with respect to y plus the mixed one, which is plus 1 over 2, sorry, plus, sorry, plus x minus x star times y minus y star times the mixed partial derivative, the second partial derivative f with respect to x with respect to y, which is evaluated at x star y star, plus. So, but we left the second power partial derivatives with respect to x and y, because x minus x star is significantly very small, because x is approaching to the x star, the equilibrium point. X is approaching to the equilibrium point, and we are taking near to the equilibrium point. We are taking every point near to the equilibrium point. So what's left is here. Yes? እሺ ስንት ደቂቃ ነው ያለው?
ሳሚ በሳሚ አንድ ዜዛ 1 ሚኒት ነው ያለው።
1 ሚኒት ነው ያለው? ኦኬ
ሳሚ